Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? And the answer is Mercury. How many bones are present in a shark body? And the answer is 0. Opera is a form of music theatre. Where did this art form originate? And the answer is Italy. In India, Friendship Day is celebrated on the Sunday of August. Filling the blanks. And the answer is first. Espadrilles were first made in regions of France and Spain. Where are these worn? And the answer is on your feet. How many years of marriage will be celebrated by a golden anniversary? And the answer is 50 years. A baby sheep is called a lamb. What is a baby goat called? And the answer is kid. Allophobia is the fear of garlic. True or false? And the answer is true. A state government has declared that it will sponsor the Indian men's and women's hockey team for the next 5 years. Which government is it? And the answer is Odisha. Which of these was earlier known as the Hilli National Park when it was established in 1936? And the answer is Jim Corbett National Park. The Indian Army built a bridge over the river Indus in a record time of 40 days, and it is the longest suspension bridge in Leh. What is it called? And the answer is Maitri Bridge. Comets and asteroids which enter the Earth's surrounding due to the gravitational pull of nearby planets are called NEOs. What does NEO stand for? And the answer is Near Earth Objects. Israel's aerospace industries is the first in the world to spend a privately funded mission to the moon. True or false? And the answer is true. The name for which type of pants has its origins in the city of Genoa in Italy? And the answer is jeans. Where would you find the Sea of Tranquility? And the answer is the moon. Which Indian celebrity was honored with an honorary degree, Doctor of Letters from La Trobe University at the 10th edition of Indian Film Festival of Melbourne? And the answer is Shah Rukh. The doe is the female of a dove. True or false? And the answer is false. Entomology is the science that studies filling the blanks. And the answer is insects. What does the word Buddha mean? And the answer is awakened one or enlightened one. Which country recently launched an underwater military museum? It displays decommissioned military vehicles and equipments including tanks, cranes, and a helicopter at depth reaching up to 92 meters. And the answer is Jordan. Watch our other videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We will answer it in next Q&A video. Support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon.